Ang saya-saya sa unang hirit.
Maraming salamat po.
Salamat din po. Good morning po, kay Chairman din.
Opo.
Thank you.
Prosecutor George Di po ng DOJ Comelec Joint Committee. Chairman, nabasa niyo na ho ba tumayuga report?
Ay, hindi pa. Pero lahat ng nababasa ko.
Oh, parang, pero ito'y parang...
Statements. Alam mo, Arnold, ganito
Opo.
dapat natin tingnan. The Mayuga report was prepared during the old administration.
Opo.
So we did not expect na magiging very exhaustive ito at magpipinpoint ng mga mali. Pero sa akin, the joint law,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chairman.
joint committee will be able to check on this Mayuga report. Pero gagamitin nilang guide ito in their investigation.
Sabi nga, yung report, wag nang tignan yung mga annexes daw eh, no? Yung mga
Oo,
testimonya.
yung mga annexes, yung mga pangalan ng mga na-mention doon, pero wag na nilang tignan yung report mismo. Kasi ako, ang feeling ko, the report, when done in the old administration, the previous administration, must have been sanitized already. So, ang sinasabi ko siguro, tignan natin yung Mayuga report and pick up from the report what is really relevant and important. You know?
Anong susunod na hakbang ng DOJ Comelec Joint Committee? Nasa na ho tayo, Chairman?
And we're just preparing the rules. Right now, the committee has met already for the 2 days. You know? Alam naman ni General Prosecutor General, yan nag-meet na 2 araw.
Opo.
And then they're going to sit down on the details. Pero magkakaroon po ng fact-finding. Nag-create na kami ng another fact-finding to support the committee itself. Sinabi na ni Prosecutor General is that they will be on the preliminary investigation stage. Pero kailangan mag-gather muna kami ng lahat ng facts.
Opo. Chairman, kayo ba ni Secretary De Lima mag-i-inhibit dito sa committee ito? Bilang dating mga election lawyer?
Hindi, but we're not sitting in the committee.
Okay.
Precisely, it is we created the committee so that they will be the one who will do the preliminary investigation. Ano?
Opo, opo.
Sa amin naman, lahat ng rekomendasyon ng committee, if it goes up to the commission,
Opo.
doon pwede na ako hindi mag-participate. Pito naman kami rito sa commission.
Okay. Chairman,
Pero
salamat.
hindi
Good
sa
morning po.
committee.
Good morning po, Chairman. Salamat po.
Okay, thank you.
Comelec Chairman Sixto Brillantes. Abangan po natin ang magiging susunod pang hakbangin ng DOJ Comelec Joint Committee kaugnay ng dayaan ng 2004 at 2007 election. Ang po ating talakayan, magbabalik ang unang hirit.
Sa unang hirit. Ang saya-saya sa unang hirit. Unang hirit.
This is Systems Integration Philippines 2011 on August 18 to 20 at the SMX Convention Center. See the latest cutting-edge technology, equipment, and products under one venue. Entrance is free. Contact Global Link at 750-8588 or visit www